Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a gray spotlight halo smoky eye. Of course you guys know it's fall, it's October, it's the beginning of the last 3 months, the greatest last 3 months of the year. So you know, people are going to be doing Halloween makeup. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing any Halloween looks this year. I'm not sure. I haven't really seen anything. I haven't been inspired by anything that I've seen so far to recreate, to be honest with you. But who knows, the month's not over yet. Before we get started, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to comment and like. I do reply to comments. So, but yeah, go ahead and subscribe and become part of the family. Thank you to all of my new subscribers. Really appreciate you guys. I know it's been a while since I have filmed, maybe about a month. No, it's been since August. It's been since August, yeah. So sorry about that, you guys. Been real busy. I need to film more often. I know I need to film more often. I do have more looks coming up that I want to do, that I'm going to do. Just bear with me, but you know, I will keep the videos coming. So with all that being said, let's get started. First product I'm going to use is the Fix Matte Plus Mattifying Spray, Prep and Prime. Okay. And one thing you want to do with this product is that you want to make sure that you shake this up. You don't just want to, if you let it sit for a while, you'll see that it separates, that it will separate, and the white powder will be here at the bottom. You don't want that. You do not want to spray this on your face without shaking it up first, because if not, you're going to have white stuff all over your face. You're going to have a really white overcast, and we don't want that. Okay, so shake this up really good. I'm really impressed with this product. I used it like 2 or 3 weeks ago. I was going to do makeup for like a little fashion show here in Houston, and I sprayed this on my face first, and then I sprayed it when my makeup was done, along with some other mattifying products that I used. But I was really impressed because I had the makeup on for almost 12 hours, or if not more, and my face was still matte all day. I was in and out the car, moving stuff, moving my makeup chair, doing all that kind of stuff. And I felt like I was sweating a little bit, but when I looked in the mirror, everything was still intact. Matte all day, literally. So this product right here to me is really a plus. And I think, you know, I normally use these, the regular Fix Plus sprays, but I think these are my new faves. So just gonna spray some of that, because you want to be matte. I want to be matte. I have oily skin, so I normally, after a couple hours, I get oily right here, T-zone area, nose area, mild chin, all that kind of stuff. The inner part of my face, basically this area. So I'm going to spray that, and then I'm going to be using some Benefit The Professional Primer. You guys want to get that. And it's also a mattifying primer. Basically, these have like diamond crystals in it, and it's mattifying, it blurs your pores, and it's an invisible finish. So this is really another good product. Using a Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I'm just going to put a little bit of this on here. And just rub it all over the face, just so it can set in and do what it needs to do. As you guys can see, my eyebrows are already done. And I actually did my eyebrows the quickest I have ever done them today. I don't know why, they just came out pretty decent today. It didn't take forever to do my brows. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Laying Low paint pot. You guys know this is my favorite paint pot. Not a new product that I use, but this has become my favorite paint pot. It's like a really good neutral color. So just going to take that, and I'm going to apply this to my eyelid area. Okay, just take a little blending brush. And blend that out. Gonna use my brush just to get a little bit of translucent setting powder and dab it over my eyes. I'm going to start with the crease. Going to do a nice basic translucent color. Going to use Uninterrupted by MAC. This shade right here. Put it in the socket, blend it out. Push into the socket, circular motions. Okay, then I'm going to use my melt stack, you guys. And I'm going to use this color right here, which is called Enigma eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm going to use that. And I'm also going to put that in the crease. Okay, so we're going to start off with something like that. That's what we're going to do. And I'm probably going to go in one more time with another coat of this shade right here, because I want this to be a little bit darker. So that's our first step. We got our transition color in. Now let's get started on the inner and outer corners. Next I'm going to go in with my Smashbox palette, and I'm going to be using, I don't know which gray I want to use. I guess I'll use the lighter gray. I'm going to use this gray right here. I'm going to take a 242 brush, apply this. I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over the lid area. And I'm just going to take this black that's in this palette right here, and I'm going to put that in the inner and outer corner. You know what? I want this really dark, so I'm going to go ahead. What I'm going to do is add a little black track in first and put it in the inner and outer corner first, because I want the inner and outer corner to be super black. So I'm just going to take that. And do the same thing for the inner corner. Okay, so you want something that looks like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. And just bring it in. Then you want to take the black eyeshadow and go over that. If you want to, go ahead and connect the blacks at the top. Don't add any more product, just blend it. Connect everything together at the top. So for the under eye area, you want to do the same thing. Okay, so before we add liner, lashes, mascara, and do all that kind of stuff, we want to go ahead and complete the halo part, or the spotlight part. Some of you guys call it spotlight, some of you guys call it halo. We're going to go ahead and complete that part with, today I'm going to use a liquid silver eyeshadow. And I purchased this while I was shopping at Forever 21. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this in the center. Now that I've added my spotlight halo part, I'm going to complete the other eye off camera, add my liner, lashes, mascara, and then I'll be back so we can start on the face. I bought a new foundation. I've been watching reviews on the NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. I was told that this is a matte foundation. I love anything matte because my skin is oily. So I bought this shade in, what's it, Mahoghany. I bought this shade in Mahoghany. Now this shade may look like it's a little too dark for me, but I did wear this a few weeks ago. I was a little skeptical at first when I first put it on, because it was a little kind of brownish red, but as the day went on, it blended right into my skin, so it oxidized, so it worked out. But yeah, so I got this shade in Mahoghany. The girl at Ulta, because this is where I purchased this from, and I actually got two. I liked it so much. I bought two of these. The girl at Ulta, she tried on a shade that was, I don't remember the name of it, but it was a shade before Mahoghany, right? So she tried it on, and she's like, oh, that's going to be your color. I was like, no. I don't want it to match my skin exactly, because, you know, I highlight, contour, and do all that kind of stuff. I like my foundations to be a shade or two darker, and then everything works out once I add my concealers and all that kind of stuff, because I conceal with a lighter shade. So the lighter shade that she had, to me, in my opinion, would have made me look ashy and too bright. It wouldn't have looked, it wouldn't have blended all together, especially after I would have done my concealer. So I always go a shade darker. I'm going to use Mahoghany right now. I tried this out a few weeks ago as well. This is a great foundation for a great price. I think I paid $8.99 for it, something like that. And don't be concerned that it's a little dark. That's fine, because we're going to lighten up in the whole, you know, highlight area. So let's try this out. I'm gonna conceal. I'm gonna try out the new MAC 24-Hour Studio Fixed Smooth Wear Concealer, and the shade that I have, I want to try a new shade. I got NW40. I normally do NC42. I'm gonna use a little bit of Sacha Butter Cup to set my face. Yeah, I do notice that when you let your setting powder sit for too long of a time, then your face gets looks super dry. And I don't need it to look super dry because I'm already mad. Okay, now I'm going to contour. A little bit of this. I'm going to use that to contour my face. Not going to do a cream contour today, just going to do a light. Okay, for blush, I'm just going to use a little pink blush. This is Love Cloud by MAC. It's a satin pink blush. Okay, let's spray the face again. I'm going to use this matte fix spray. A little bit of that. Okay, for highlighter, I'm going to try the new Maybelline Master Chrome metallic highlighter. I've tried Molten Gold before, but this one is shade number 200, Molten Topaz. So it's a little bit deeper. It's very pretty. Not bad. And finally, let's get to the lips. Today I'm going to be using my favorite Cork lip liner by MAC. And lipstick, I'm going to do, I guess I'll use Fresh Brew lipstick by MAC. So I'm going to use Maybelline's Vivid Hot Lacquer. And this is the shade 64, which is called Unreal. So I'm going to add a little bit of this. And here we have it. This is the final look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. I have more content on the way. Again, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.